All right, friends, last time we made this beautiful, I almost said Christmas, Valentine's inspired top, and guess what? I have more of this fabric. Sorry, that was dramatic. And it is freezing outside. My wood stove has been cranking all day. My husband is not here at the moment, so it has died down. But rest assured, as soon as he gets back home, that thing is coming back on because it's freezing out here in South Georgia. It's about to snow. It's supposed to snow tomorrow, okay? So, due to that, I figured I want to make myself some lounge bottoms because I love this top and I want to be able to wear it always. So, we're going to be sewing up some quick bottoms today. Let's go. All right, let's get started. And first of all, we're going to cut out our fabric. I love this fabric and I love this pattern. I love the fact that this pattern has a projector file because I'm just obsessed with my projector. By the way, this is the not so basic pants. I think I forgot to say that. Now I'm telling you all, this pattern is so easy to sew. It's going to be so quick. You're gonna be like, oh my goodness, what? That's it? And you're gonna wanna sew it right away. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab each pant leg and we're gonna fold it on itself to sew up the inseam. So we're gonna match up this inseam, right sides together right here, and we're gonna do that for both pant legs. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my waistband and I'm gonna face it right sides together and I'm going to sew up the short raw edge right here. I am using my serger for these steps. You can use a serger, you can use a zigzag stitch or some kind of stretch stitch on your sewing machine will work just fine. But I find that my serger just makes this step so super quick. Now that we've done that, prepping the legs, we're gonna grab one of the legs and we're gonna turn that leg right side out and we're gonna place it right inside the other leg. We're gonna match up our crotch seams right sides together and we're gonna just clip it there if your clips don't go flying. We're gonna go up one side of the crotch and then all the way around, sewing that right sides together. Now we are down to the last two steps. Yeah, 2 steps, 2 more steps, that's it. We're gonna grab our waist and our waistband and we're going to fold our waistband wrong sides together and we're gonna match up there the back, like the back seam. We're gonna go from the back to the front, so you just kind of match then the front and the back and you're gonna go to the sides. So you're quartering your waistband. Then you're gonna grab your pants and you have like your quarters two of your pants. You have your front and back seams and then you have your side seams. So we're gonna match up with your side seams. And I probably could have marked my side seams of my pants, but I just had it laid flat and it worked just fine. So it was okay. But you're matching them right sides together here and you're gonna sew that waistband on. Then for the bottom, all we gotta do is hem. I didn't hem right away because I wanted to go try them on first, but I did end up hemming them after I tried them on. As you're sewing your waistband, you want to go ahead and stretch your waistband to fit your pants, and you want to make sure that all the layers are being fit through the serger so you don't have any gaps or anything like that. And then I'm going to head on over to my cover stitch here and I'm going to hem at the bottom of my pants. And yes, my Accolade has a cover stitch feature too, but I have not set it up yet and I'm going to because I really want to work on it. I just got it. I'm so excited. All right, friends, I am finished. Bo is here. The fire is on. It's all nice and cozy down here. And now with my pants, I'm all set. All set for snow, hopefully. We'll see. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. And if you do not have these patterns yet, make sure you go ahead and go grab them. Come back and sew them up with me. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of our tutorials. Comment, like, share, subscribe. I already said that. And I'll see you all next time. Bye. Bosses.